Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating this very cute small Easter sign. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Alright, here are some of the things you're going to be needing today for this project. This is the wood sign I'm going to be using. My husband created this for me out of some leftover wood we had. I got a printable off the internet saying Happy Easter. And then I got this marker. It's a painter's marker. I got it at Walmart. And I got a couple of brushes out as well as a piece of chalk for the tracing. And I'm using this light pink for the base. And I didn't show it here, but you will be needing a pencil also to trace over the letters once you've already traced the backing of your sign with the chalk. So our first step will be to go ahead and give an even coat to the entire sign, and I'm doing the front as well as on all of the sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and set it aside to go ahead and dry. Okay, here you're going to see me highlight the back of this picture with the chalk, and you just want to go ahead and highlight as much area as possible. And then once you've done that, I just centered it and then started tracing the lines of the letters so that I could get that chalk image transferred over to the sign. Now, of course, if you wished, you could also do this with a pencil. Basically highlighting the back with pencil and then just tracing just like you are now. You could do either or, and it doesn't matter. Alright, so now that we've traced our image, it's time for us to go ahead and use our painter's marker to go ahead and write these letters on there. So what I originally did is trace all the edges of the letters. Since I did it with chalk, it was quite light, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I was painting within the line, so I decided to go ahead and trace it first, and then I went over the letters again with the painter's marker once I was complete. once I was finished filling in the letters, I thought that something was missing, so I decided to do dots all around the frame of the sign, and I think that made it look even better. Alright guys, this is our small happy Easter sign that we created today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.